Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove other user accounts from your Windows 10. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Windows taskbar and we're going to be searching for settings. We're going to be looking for the settings app right here and we're going to be clicking to open this up. From this point, we're going to be looking for the accounts option right here. We're going to be selecting this and here we'll see all different information about the currently logged in user account. From this point, we're going to be coming to the left option right here. We're going to be looking for the family and other users and we're going to be selecting this open. Here we're going to be able to see all currently registered family users and we'll see all other users here at the bottom. If we select any other user we would like to remove or change options for, we can select them open. Here we'll get the option to change account type or remove the user if you have currently access to it. Currently the user you're logged into will need to be an admin to be able to access this, and you may also need to change your account type before you can actually remove them. Once you found a user you'd like to remove, simply select them. Click the remove option here on the right, a pop-up confirmation will show up. Here you can get some information about what will happen. What you're going to be able to do is select to delete the account and data right here. Select this and then the user will be removed. And it's as easy as that to remove other accounts and users from your Windows 10. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.